I'm going to show you how to make viral TikToks really quickly and easily using covers.ai. So first, just upload the song that you want to make videos for. Then pick a section of the song.
Holy Father, Father.
So I'm just going to find the chorus and choose that.
Holy Father, Father, I'm playing with fire. Raise me higher, higher, high like Banga. Holy Father, Father, I'm playing with fire. Baby, I don't regret, make me dance and forget.
Okay, once you're done, press next. And now you can choose between different viral video formats. So let's start with the AI generated video. You upload a photo of the character you want in the video. So I'm going to choose SpongeBob. And then you describe the scene. So I'm going to do SpongeBob dancing salsa. It takes a couple of minutes to generate. And now it's ready.
Holy Father, Father, I'm playing with fire. Raise me higher, higher, high like Banga. Holy Father, Father, I'm playing with fire. Baby, I don't regret, make me dance and forget. Holy Father.
Then you can download that, share that to TikTok, Shorts, and Reels. Now let's try another video format. So I'm just going to upload the song again. This time I'm going to choose the Subway Surfers video format.
Holy Father, Father, I'm playing with fire. Raise me higher, higher, high like Banga. Holy Father, Father, I'm playing with fire. Baby, I don't regret.
And that's how you can make viral TikToks really quickly using covers.ai. When we work with major labels and big artists, we find that posting a lot of videos across lots of fan pages is the best way of increasing the odds of going viral.